So there are following assumptions. First assumption we will discuss here. Simple here you see. First assumption here is the for the range of force applied, the materials is elastic. I have already told you elastic means when the load applied on the body, then a displacement occur. Okay, displacement occur, and after removing the forces, displacement remove. That is called elastic body. Okay, if we apply the force on the body, if some permanent distortion or displacement occur, and we will remove the force, then this permanent deformation displacement does not remove from the body and it will remain permanently. That is called plastic body. Okay, so elastic, plastic, this is the very simple. So for the range of forces applied for the material is elastic, then it can range its original shape and size, and if applied force is removed. Simple, I have already this thing discussed in the one line. If force applied on the body, some distortions are present on the body. After remove the force, and this some distortion remove disappear from the body. That is called elastic body. If this some distortion or some displacement are not disappear from the body after removal of the force, then it is called permanent deformation. Means plastic body. In case of plastic body, permanent deformation will remain in the body. But in case of elastic body, deformation occur temporarily, and after remove the force, temporary this deformation disappear from the body permanently. That is called elastic body. Suppose human body is also elastic body, but depends on elastic body material. So second point, material is homogeneous. It is the very, very important condition. Material is homogeneous. That is, every particle of material possesses identical mechanical properties. What is mechanical properties? You know, I will discuss here. Mechanical property means like the tensile is like the malleability, ductility, strength, hardness, okay, and resilience. These are the mechanical properties. So we will discuss one by one. Don't worry. Without mechanical properties, you will not go forward. So mechanical property is the very, very important property. So we will discuss one by one. Don't worry. So here, next is the material is isotropic. Iso means same. Okay. Tropic means direction. Direction should not change. So material is isotropic. That is, material possesses identical mechanical properties at any point in the any direction. Okay. Iso means same. Tropic means property. Same here. Means property same. Now presenting the typical stress strain diagram for the typical steel. So this is also your syllabus part. We will discuss in the next class. Simple stress strain diagram for mild steel, simple stress strain diagram for the brittle material, okay, brittleness. So everything we will discuss, but mechanical property, without mechanical property, you will not understand the concept. Means brittleness, what do you understand by brittleness? What do you understand by ductility? What do you understand by hardness? What do you understand by malleability? What do you understand by hardness? What do you understand by resilience? Resilience means, what do you understand by resilience? Means energy is stored in the body per unit volume within elastic limit. That is resilience. And toughness also. This is a mechanical property. Toughness means energy is stored in the body up to elastic point, up to elastic point. So material is isotropic, means material possesses identical mechanical properties at any point in any direction.